coalition of civil society situation room on COVID-19 has called on Nigerian president, who doubles as the coordinator of the sub-regional response in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic, to set up an Ecowas task force in order to contain further spread of the virus across regions. The coalition coordinator, Adams Otaku, made the call at a press conference on Friday in Abuja. He said it has become needful in the setting up of a regional task force to ensure weekly briefing so as to caution the pandemic's effects across the Ecowas states. Following the rising cases of COVID-19 in the Ecowas sub-region, especially as it has severe impact on the economic status of member countries, these groups opine that in the case of their investigations on Nigeria's preparedness to the fight against the deadly virus, even on the criteria that President Muhammadu Buhari was declared as the ECOWAS champion of the sub-regional response, there is an urgent need for Mr. President to show more commitment in yielding to the clarion call so as to eliminate suffering. While speaking, the coalition coordinator Adams Otaku also appealed to Nigerian presidents to make use of the good office through the regional presidents to achieve 15% allocation of their annual budgets in their respective countries. According to him, this will help in strengthening healthcare system for the pre- and post-pandemic era in the sub-region.
And beckon on him to replicate the Nigerian approach by setting up an ECOWAS task force on COVID-19 that will undertake weekly briefings on the sub-regional response. We look up to His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari to use the occasion of this assignment to persuade his colleague presidents to quickly develop and implement a comprehensive regional response plan to begin to implement their commitment of allocating 15% of their annual budgets to strengthen their health care systems, to develop a post-pandemic economic recovery and growth plan for the ECOWAS sub-region, step up responses in the areas of testing, training of health workers, investment in the development of vaccines and therapeutics, and development of molecular testing capacity for future infectious diseases, to embark on economic diversification and rural industrialization that will add value to local raw materials. We call on the cancellation of public debt and review of private debt of West African countries. We call for international support and goodwill for the response to the pandemic in the ECOWAS sub-region.
As at May 7, 2020, ECOWAS sub-region had total confirmed cases of about 15,269, total recoveries are 4,599, total deaths are 343, and active cases are 10,327 respectively. I'm Vincent Okushi from Quality Television.
Audio Jungle.